Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to change your Telegram app icon. If you're looking to add a personal touch or simply want to switch things up, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and give it a tap to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside Telegram, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on them to access the main menu. Step 3. From the menu options, tap on Settings. You can easily find the Settings option represented by a gear icon. Step 4. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find Chat Settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Within the Chat Settings section, continue scrolling down until you find App Icon. Tap on it to access the available app icon options. Step 6. Now, you can select a different app icon by tapping on the desired option. Once you make your selection, the Telegram app icon will be changed to the new one you've chosen. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the Telegram app icon. Enjoy a fresh and personalized look for your Telegram application. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize the app icon in Telegram, giving your device a unique and personalized touch. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in assisting you with changing your Telegram app icon. If you found this video useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy a new look for your Telegram app.